Oh, guard up, yeah. Guard up now. It was like black, color black.
Okay.
Guard X.
All right. So let's start our day now. Are you guys ready to review?
Yes.
I think all are here. Eliza
Yeah,
is
but why
already
is that
here.
the screen only says review? I thought it was math subject, but it only says review.
Okay, good morning, Ninia. Yesterday we're going to review. All right, so let's start. Are you all ready to
Yes.
study?
Yeah.
Okay, please wait. Let me just use the line. Okay, so today we're going to review. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear teacher?
Yes, we can hear you, Teacher Diana.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
we can.
because I feel like there's problem with the internet connection. It says it's unstable now. I don't
I saw
understand.
Pyron freeze a bit a little.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was just me. Okay. So let's go over now. Today we're going to review our lesson in math last time. Okay, so we discussed understanding division and relationship of multiplication and division last week. Now we're going to review what we have learned and we're going to apply it as well. Okay, so let me just review some. So as what you can see in the equation of division, it can be formed into three types. You have this one, plain. You can use the division as a symbol like this or like this. Okay. So this one, as we all know, in an equation of division, you have the dividend, divisor, and the quotient. So it can be transformed into this type of setting. So you have like this or like this. Now, remember the dividend, divisor, and the quotient. So next, you have another one. This one. So there are different forms of division as well. You can do it by sharing. The example, this one. So 20 tallies divide by 5 groups. So if you have 20 tallies divide by 5 groups, what is the answer for this one?
4.
4. Why did you say it's 4?
Because 5, 10, 15, 20.
Because exactly,
5, 10,
keep counting by 5. And that's what you can see inside the circles. You have 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 circles. There are 5 groups. And there are 20 tallies. So 20 hearts overall. So each group has 5 tallies. Okay, next. Another one. You have another one. You have the array type of position. So you have here rows and you have the column.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So what do you think is the number sentence for this array position? If you have five rows and you have the columns, what do you think? What is the
What?
number sentence? What
Then
is
you
the
have
number
4
sentence?
columns.
What is the dividend? What is the divisor? And what is the quotient for this one? What is the dividend? What is the divisor? And what is the quotient? Okay, Nina said 20 arrays and
20 arrays and
5 rows. 20 columns and 5 rows.
20 columns and 5 rows. Yeah,
20
that's what
columns? Is this
Yeah.
20 columns?
20 columns.
Oh, are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah. Because 4 times 4 equals 16 then.
Wait. Column is this one, like this. This one. And rows are like this. So what do you think is the correct answer for this one?
4 rows. 4 rows and 5 and 4 columns.
Eh,
Or is that
Division. Division. So what is inside? What
4
do you call
columns?
this thing inside? Circle. Green, small green circle, right? So how do you do it? You have to when
by 5. 20 arrays.
20
20 arrays divided by 5.
20 green circles. Uy. 20 green circles divide by 5 rows. So what is the answer? What's the quotient?
4.
4. You have 4. Right? Next, let's have another one here. So this one is the relating or relationship of multiplication to division. So you have 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. So you have 20 divided by 5 equals 4 and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay, so those are the types of division. This time, let's practice. Can you please get your whiteboard? So this time, I want you to identify the dividend, the quotient, the divisor, and the quotient, and also show the relationship of the division to the multiplication that we had. Okay, let me give you an example.
Okay.
Okay, so that you will not get confused. All right, so as what you can see here. So my answer is the dividend is 10. The divisor is 5. The quotient is 2. Because 10 divided by 5 equals 2. How? So this time I'm going to show my solution for the multiplication. So you have 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. Okay, because 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. So that's how you're gonna answer it. Okay?
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So let's proceed to number 2. Let me just give you the number 2 here.
The 8 cats
Divide the cats into 4. How many groups? Okay. So use this time. I want you to find the dividend, divisor, and the quotient.
1.
Answer
Okay.
now.
Teacher, do we need to write it down in the whiteboard?
Yes. This one? No need. Just answer directly.
So do we have to write it what number 2 and
No need. No need. Just answer directly.
the dividend and the
Yes, you have to write the dividend, divisor, and the quotient.
done. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay.
Do I need to do like the quotient? Like
Yes. Make sure that you show your multiplication solution for the relationship between the multiplication and division. Can you see my screen?
something else to
Okay. Johan, are you answering, Johan?
What is these tails?
Divide 8 cups inside. Zoom mo kag 8
Diana, I'm done na.
cups.
Okay, if you're done, wait. Let's wait for the rest.
Itag 4 nimo ang cup. So,
I'm done dito, Diana.
Okay, good job. If you're done, let's wait for them.
eight cuts divide into how many cuts? Groups of cuts.
4.
4. 4 equals. Equals dong.
Okay.
Equals yung equals yung oh, asang din may butang lagi niya.
4 cups divided by 8 cups divided. Yes.
Ayun. Oopsie. All right, so let me type this in again. So you have, remember, answer, dividend, divisor, quotient.
dividend is 8. The divisor is 4. The quotient is 2. So will we also put a multiplication sometimes?
Multiplication. What?
The division and multiplication.
Yeah. You will do the division and the multiplication. Like the one that I
Okay.
gave earlier. So in this
Done.
side,
Okay.
you show the division. So what's the division? You have there are 8 cats and group into 8 cats into groups of 4. So what's it's what you can see, it's like this,
I
right?
know already.
Here. So you show your solution. Solve the 8 divided by 4 and then show the solution by using the multiplication factor as well.
Yeah. Did anyone stop? Or is it just me? Did anyone stop? Or is it just me? Well,
No,
okay.
no one stopped.
Just mute and be quiet. You're so quiet.
Because everyone is answering.
Sorry. Answered my teacher.
Are you all done?
Yeah. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
So who wants to answer first? All right, let's have Aldez. Okay, Aldez, in your answer, what is the dividend?
My dividend is
Yes?
8.
Huh?
8.
And what is your divisor?
4.
4. Okay, you have 4. Now let's solve 8 divided by 4 so that we can get the quotient. Right? So how will you solve 8 divided by 4, Aldez? Aldez?
Yes.
Aldez? Where's Aldez?
What?
Okay, so how did you solve 8 divided by 4? You do the
Do the times. Do the multiplication.
skip counting. So what number should we skip count? What number should we skip count, Aldez?
2.
What 2? No, we will do the skip counting first, okay?
Oh.
So the number that we're going to
4.
skip count is 4 because the divisor is 4. So 4 multiplied by 1 equals
4.
4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals
8.
8. So the answer is
2.
2. And the multiplication is 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 8. So therefore, the quotient is
8.
quotient is 2. Right, so that's how you do it. Got it? Okay, who got the correct answer?
Teacher, I got correct.
Good job if you got the correct answer. Now let's move on to number 3. You guys ready for number 3?
Yes.
Okay, let's have number 3. So here, divide the 12 flies into groups of 3. How many groups?
Parehas tayo yan. Asa na nagbutang. Yeah. Divide the 12 flies. So 12 flies na. 12. Divide. Pila ka groups. Masaha. 3. First. 12 divided by 3. Skip count. 3 times 1. 3. Ana, lagi ko.
3 times 4.
Ano dyan? Ano yung picture? 3 times 4. Oh. 0 na. 0.
So 3 times 3 is 6. 3 times.
Your work or info. Yung isang na, 12. Ako, ginagarin. Ito nga na yung tanan.
4.
Di ba nun lagi o ilat siya tanan? Italubog. Divide, so ilat ka group. Divide. Oh.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. So let's wait for the rest.
I'm done.
Hmm?
I'm done, teacher. I'm done.
Okay, good job. So let's answer now. Look it done.
Me.
Okay.
I'm not yet done. Me, teacher. I want to be. I want to answer.
Okay, so let's have Zachary then.
Okay. 12 divided by 3 equals. Can I do it, teacher? In my way.
Okay.
Done, teacher.
All right. So your answer is let's put it here.
Sir, my answer is 4. My answer is 4, teacher, and
So what is your dividend? Zach, 12. And your divisor? 3. So what's your quotient?
Answer. 4.
4. Job. So therefore, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Who got the correct answer?
Me.
Good job. Good job if you got the correct answer, right? Work, everyone. All right, so we'll continue the rest next time. It's already time now. We'll practice more next time, okay? So let's say goodbye and see you later again in English.
Is this
Bye,
a review?
everyone. Huh?
Is this a review? Because if it is,
Yes, this is a review for the math.
okay.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.